Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how I made this magic potion or gender reveal or baby shower tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Alright, so today I thought I'd try something a little different. I'm going to make some magic potion color changing tumblers that are kind of aimed for a baby shower or a gender reveal. One, we're going to start with a pink mica powder, and we're going to do blue water-based food coloring. We're also going to need distilled water. You're going to need a hollowed wall tumbler. And if you want, you can add some glue to this, some clear glue, or you can add a little bit of mica powder, or not mica powder, you can add a little vegetable glycerin to this as well. If you want it to settle a little more slowly. So I'm going to add a little bit of this clear glue to this as well. So we're going to start by just taking a plain old little squeeze bottle and adding some distilled water to it. And then we're going to add some of the food coloring. Now add as much food coloring or as little as you want for what color you're going for. I'm hoping to get this a light blue. We'll see how we can do here. This stuff is fairly potent, so I just put in 2 drops. That looks like it's more than enough. And then we're going to add our mica powder, and hopefully it is dark enough to combat the blue. And people keep asking me where I got these little scoops from. They actually came with this mica powder, which I can link. It's a box of mica powder of all different colors. It's actually kind of cool. It's got a lot of different colors. I'll show it to you guys. It's got like so many colors of mica powder. Definitely worth it. All right, so that's what we've got now. I think I'm going to do 1 more scoop of mica powder just to make that a little more colored. So what will happen with this is when it settles, you're going to have a blue tumbler, but when it's shaken up, it's going to be pink. And as you can see, I did not measure my glue. I do approximately a tablespoon per 1/4 cup. That's what my usual adding is. This probably wasn't quite that much. Okay, so we're going to shake that up, and then we're going to add this to the tumbler. I hope it's pink enough. If it isn't pink enough, you can always change up your mica powder to something a little more pink. And you're just going to use your squeeze ball to pour this right into the tumbler, and I'll be back after it's in. And we have the tumbler all filled, and now we just need to seal it. I do have a video called 3 Ways to Seal Snow Globe Tumblers, so if you need some help with sealing your tumbler, please do refer to that, and I hope it's helpful. It is just 3 ways to seal tumblers. And I'll be back after I have these sealed. Here is our baby blue and baby pink tumbler after it has sat for a while. And now we're just going to give this a shake. And this is definitely my favorite part of these tumblers, is when you get to shake them and see the colors change. They're very fun and extremely easy to make. And if you continue to shake this till it's totally integrated with the pink, it does turn kind of a purple. So if you want it to be more pink, do add more pink mica. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have a comment or a question, please do leave it below. I do try to respond to every comment. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy the content, please do give me a subscribe. It really does help me build the channel, which makes me able to make more videos for you guys. Thanks so much for watching.